Hello all, today we'll be starting with the next topic, that is the Susuria costis. It's a medicinal plant native to India. So today we'll be studying about this plant in detail. So let me tell you, Susuria costis, commonly known as Costus kut or putchuk, is a species of thistle in the genus Susuria native to India. Thistle, are those plants which have spines on the apices of the leaves, on the stem, or you can say they are thorny plants, and it belongs to genus Susuria and it's native to India. Essential oils extracted from the root have been used in traditional medicine and in perfumes since ancient times. The root of the plant is the key part used for medicinal or homeopathic purposes. Now let me tell you the scientific classification. It belongs to kingdom Plantae, phylum is Tracheophyta, class is Magniolopsida, order is Asteraceae, family is Compositae. Compositae is Asteraceae family. Genus is Susuria, species is Costus. Here you can see a plant of the Susuria costus. Cultivation. The plant is cultivated as a medicinal plant. Its growing region occurs mainly within India, that is Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, which are its native places of origin. Cultivation is primarily focused upon the roots of the plant because the roots are the parts of the plant from which the essential oil is extracted. Most of the roots are exported to China and Japan, and they serve as a big commodity for commerce in Kashmir. However, this type of trade is now being controlled by the state due to its being overexploited. The plant has been overexploited. This plant has recently been over-collected and has been recently placed on the site's first list of endangered species, making it now illegal to dig them up for the export. Let me tell you, in Kashmir, Kotla has been, or Kot Act has been applied to it, which makes it illegal to dig them up for export. Now let me tell you about its distribution. It's usually found at an elevation of 2500 to 3000 meter in India, including the Himalayas, Kashmir, Jammu, Western Ghats and Kishanganga Valley. Here you see a field of Susuria costus and the flowers or group of florets. It has purple florets. Floret is group of flowers in family Asteraceae. Fine. So here you see this. Now let me tell you about its appearance. Susuria costus is a perennial plant. Perennial plants are those which last for many years. They don't die annually. It grows up to a height of 1 to 2 meter. It has long lyrate leaves and heads of purple florets. So let me tell you first of all what a lyrate leaf is. Here you can see the leaf. It has 3 lobes. It has several lobes here, you can say. The lobes, the lateral lobes are small and the interior lobe, it's a bigger one. The leaf is not as a whole, but the leaf is in lobes. This is called a lyrate leaf, and it has heads of purple florets. Florets or group of flowers in family Asteraceae. So here you see the seed of this plant. Now let me tell you about the health benefits of Susuria costus. Heart health. Studies show that Susuria costus promotes heart health. The report published in journal with the effects of Susuria costus on rats and determines the herb combat myocardial injury. Cancer. Susuria costus is effective for cancer. The study on the test of human gastric cancer cells shows that the herb suppresses the tumor growth and induces apoptosis. Liver health. Susuria costus is beneficial for treating liver ailments according to the study conducted on animals. The test conducted on mice shows that Susuria costus treatment helps to lower liver damage related with the hepatitis. Now let me tell you, it has traditional uses as well, so we'll be studying these. Susuria costus is effective as a treatment for cough, asthma, bronchitis and cholera. The herb excludes the worms found in intestines and other body parts. as an effective expectorant is that thing which cleans the sputum from our lungs. It's an effective expectorant, and it helps to treat asthma by making breathing easier, clearing and relaxing the bronchioles. Massaging the oil to provide relief from nerve weakness and promote blood circulation. It has been found if the oil is massaged, it relieves the nerve weakness and promotes blood circulation. The diuretic action of Caesuria costis eliminates excessive water of the body. Diuretic means which causes frequent urination. So you can say Caesuria costis causes frequent urination, and this property of it helps to eliminate the excess water from the body. This is all about Caesuria costis. If you have any queries, please let me know. Thank you.